Doing some night flying with the S1S by LSRC. That's what the controller says. Anyway, I'm just going to do some night flying. Nothing special. It's just a nice calm night. And this is the type of night that's good for these quads. Nice and calm. What a beautiful lights. Well, it flies pretty good. I don't even try to trim it. That's pretty wild. Oh, there's the speed button. So that's 3. I know by the beeps, guys. That's pretty good. You're down to 1. Keeps me from crashing it. Got some pretty cool lights. Yeah, I tagged another LCD on it, on the back end of, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, let's see. I think that's trim. Oh, that's pretty cool. And this is the S1S. As you can see, it flies great. Pretty little impressive drone. This is what you teach. This type of drone, or even these like this, they don't have cages around them blades. Get around somebody that knows what these are before you give this to your kid. They are beginners. It's like you go and take your first guitar lesson, learn a couple of chords, come back in a week and show the teacher what you learned. Well, if you've never flown one of these and you'd like to fly one of these, there's plenty of guys that know how to fly these. Get behind them, ask them for a little bit of help, and they'll show you how to fly some of these. People call these cheap. It's not cheap. If you're a low-income family, $60 is a lot of money. I'm just showing you what you can have. I call them budget. I don't call them cheap. It's because I got $400 to blow on these. Push a button, push this, push that, and what'd you learn? I learned how to push a bunch of buttons. This is how you learn how to fly. Get yourself a budget drone and learn how to fly. So many people go out and spend their big dollars and they can't even do a simple bank like what I just did there. They'll come flying in. They can't do a simple thing like that. And they'll spend $400. So, let's see more videos on some decent budget drones. Stay tuned. An old man that's been flying for a long time. I see so many people waste their money. My most expensive drone is $70. But yeah, I'd like to see a beginner do something like this, yeah. Uh-oh, it's saying come home. My battery's dead.